You know, we've been hearing a lot about the concern about a second wave that could be coming in September, with the idea being that with the summer months that the first wave, so to speak, will begin to decline. Well, we are not seeing that at all. In fact, most experts are saying that it looks like the opposite. We're seeing an increased number of cases in many parts of the country. We begin tonight in Florida, where the state hit a grim milestone. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases is now more than 100,000. The testing also reveals more younger people are testing positive.
But when young people get infected, they go home and infect their parents. They will kill people by giving vulnerable people the virus.
Jackson Health, Florida's largest public health system, is reporting a 75% increase in coronavirus patients in the past 2 weeks. Officials say it's due in part to the lack of social distancing and not wearing masks.
A lot of young people feel like the fact that we opened up means that they can do whatever they want, and they have to stop it.
This afternoon, Miami became the latest city to weigh in on the issue of masks. Here's one man's reaction to the mandatory new rule.
Well, you gotta wear a mask, bro.
Over the past 2 weeks, at least 18 states have shown a rise in hospitalizations. In Texas, the number reached a record for an 11th consecutive day. But Governor Greg Abbott does not anticipate a return to lockdown.
Closing down Texas again will always be the last option.
Cases in Arizona have nearly doubled over the past 2 weeks, now passing the 50,000 mark. Still, Republican Governor Doug Ducey says he has no plans to slow the reopening of the state. In Phoenix, the city council is voting to make masks mandatory, with the county also issuing an order. And even though masks are now mandatory, they will be optional when President Trump holds a rally in Phoenix tomorrow. That's according to the group hosting the event, Students for Trump, even though the event will be held indoors, packed inside this Phoenix church.
We're not going to go around and make people make sure they have their mask on or rip them off. We're just here to make sure that people are safe and they have an enjoyable time and make it a historic moment.